Do you watch TV every night?
Uh, yes, I was no, I don't watch TV every night. Watching TV too much is not good for our head. Sometimes I watch TV in my free time. I actually read English storybook, fashion book, and listening to music every night.
Do you have a class in the morning?
No, I don't have a class in the morning. I have a class at night. My class is from 8 to 9:30 at night. My class is interesting and my teacher good nature. She is good at teaching.
Do you think life today is easy?
Yes, I think life today is easy. Machine can help people daily life. We can use washing machine, dishwasher, and value cleaner. We can go easily everywhere. We can go everywhere easily. By car, by plane, and by train.
Do you like talking about the weather?
No, I don't like talking about the weather. I'm not a reporter. I like playing football with my friend every evening.
Do you use your phone for more than 3 hours a day?
I yes, I use my phone for more than 3 hours a day. Sometimes 5 hours. Sometimes five. I use my phone 5 hours a day. I actually use playing football, playing e-football, and playing PUBG Mobile. Sometimes I listening to music. I think it's not good for our head.
Do you meet your friends every weekend?
Yes, I meet my friend every weekend because I always play football every weekend.
Do you look at the price tag before you buy something?
Uh, yes, I look at the price tag before I buy something. Because I'm a middle school student, I don't have many. I don't have much money. So I look at the price before I buy it.
Do you prefer reading fiction or non-fiction books?
I prefer reading fashion book because it's so interesting. I like fashion book. In my free time, I read fashion book.